Welcome to the 1000 Million Foundation. I am Dolla50. This is a new introduction to the pandemic extremes of competition for the Mavic Mini. The Mavic Mini has made its way through the mainstream through Capitol Police, through challenging extremes such as crashes, redirections. The Mavic Mini has soon to surface as yet the best drone in existence. Peace. Dolla50.
$1.50, I be the bearer of degrees. My brand be past half of a century. $1.50 be me. My moves produce a dead beast. I'm currently quarantined from being too street. Alphanumerically, a household name, $1.50.
By the Mavic Mini for a minute, you know what I'm saying? By the Mavic Mini. Yeah. Who got skills? Who got skills? Who got skills? You know what it is? You know what it is? Choosing what it is. Peace. $1.50.
Peace. $1.50.